Motivation can be one of the most challenging and prevalent obstacles to overcome during your time in college. In this video, we will help identify the causes for low motivation and procrastination, as well as some tips and tricks to overcome those hurdles. Some causes for low motivation and procrastination include feeling overwhelmed with responsibilities and competing priorities, a lack of direction, perfectionism when dealing with challenges, coursework that is unenjoyable, or physical or mental health concerns. Here, we hope to discover a few strategies to help you overcome procrastination and low motivation. Keep in mind that motivation doesn't precede action. By taking action first, you can jumpstart your energy. When you are feeling overwhelmed, having a system to track your responsibilities and tasks can help you get started. To get yourself organized, try one of these strategies. Break down tasks into manageable steps, write down deadlines for assignments and exams, or complete harder tasks when you are feeling more energized. Setting goals will help give you direction. Try to set short and long-term goals to help direct your energy. What is one thing you want to do this week? What about next semester? Use failures as a learning experience to inform future actions, habits, and adjustments for goals. Having a growth mindset will allow you to approach challenges and failures in a healthy way. Treating these scenarios as opportunities to learn and grow instead of fixed representations of your abilities will lead to more academic success. Allow room for self-compassion. You are doing the best you can. Recognize this fact when critiquing your efforts or getting feedback from others. The grind mindset can be draining. You still need to take time for yourself and do the things you enjoy. Self-care is essential for success and is often overlooked. Celebrating your successes is important. It will help you to keep your spirits high. There's no magic word to make unenjoyable tasks go away. Ask yourself why the task is unenjoyable. Ask questions like, do I dislike it because it's challenging? Do I dislike the specific task, things like writing a paper or doing math problems? Or do I dislike it because I am uninspired? It's important to find a major that is meaningful for you and motivates you to expand your knowledge. The Career Center offers a free career decision profile that may help you determine your best fit. Try out these additional tips and tricks that may also improve your motivation levels. Do work in an environment that is conducive for focus and concentration. Lean on your support system to help hold you accountable for the goals you set. Find a study buddy or group to encourage you to stay focused. Create sustainable systems you can come back to when you are feeling a dip in motivation. We would love to help you with your academic journey. For additional support, please email us at achievement@ksu.edu. And don't forget to check out our other YouTube videos. Thanks for watching. Come visit us at the K-State Academic Achievement Center.